80% of the outcomes from 20% of the factors. Hit movies always star the very same big-name actors. And most of my anxiety stems from a few distractors. And John Deere, they produce over half of farmers' tractors. Yeah, 80% of the outcomes are from 20% of the factors. 80% of the consequences are from 20% of the reasons. And this could explain why most fashion brands started as Parisian, and why so many peanuts are sold in baseball season, and why just a few bad apples do all the acts of treason. Yeah, 80% of the consequences are from 20% of the reasons. Vilfredo Pareto, a long, long time ago, he made a very famous observation. The property in Italy was for the most part owned by just a small part of the population. 80% of the sales comes from 20% of the buyers, and 90% of the lies are spewed by 2% of the liars. Most French fries in America come from McDonald's fryers, and a single careless camper can start a massive forest fire. Yeah, 80% of the sales comes from 20% of the buyers. In fact, 80% of everything comes from 20% of the factors and the reasons and the triggers, the consequences, or the causes.